Hello, magandang umaga sa inyo. Ngayon gumawa ko ng video para i-upload sa YouTube channel ko because I always do short video dahil hindi ko alam kung ano ang magiging content ko. So, ngayon isi-share ko sa inyo kung paano makahanap ng AFAM. AFAM. So, mayroon akong fiancé. He is a Norwegian and kung saan ko siya nahanap. So, siya kasi nagkakilala kami sa Facebook and that is the time that I make a friend request to him because when I saw his profile, nag-English na ako. Nung nakita ko yung profile niya, na-attract ako sa kanya. So, mataas yung age gap naming dalawa, pero that is not, they says that age is a number, so that's true. Pag gusto mo talaga yung isang tao, kahit matanda siya sa'yo, and if that is your destiny, kasi nasa destiny din yan kung saan ka ma-attract, sa bata ba o sa ano. So that's it. So nakilala ko siya sa Facebook and then I sent friend request to him. And after that, I wait for I don't know how many weeks before he answered my friend. He confirmed my friend request. And then, when the time is arrived, nung inaccept niya na yung friend request ko, that is the time that we make conversation. Normally, in a relationship, we start friends. So, magkaibigan muna kami until 1 month. And nag-isang buwan kami magkaibigan. Tapos, after that, naging kami. Tapos, naging maganda ang pag-uusap namin sa Facebook. At yun. Tapos, so, we are already 4 years now. More than 4 years. And, pumunta siya dito sa Philippines, nag-meet kami sa Cebu kasama ng anak ko and umuwi siya dito sa bahay namin, dito sa Samar. Kasi may sarili na kaming bahay nung kasagsagan ng COVID. Nasa Manila kasi kami nung yung COVID dumating sa Pilipinas. So when COVID is already in the relaxed mood, that is year 2020, we plan to move here in Samar, and that is the time that yung palalabs ko nag-decide kaming mag-build ng house, magpagawa ng bahay dito kasi wala kaming sariling bahay. So ang pagdating namin dito ay nakitira lang muna kami sa bahay ng parents ko. Tapos habang nakatira kami doon sa bahay ng parents ko, nag-build kami ng sarili naming bahay. So kahit hindi pa tapos itong house na to, okay na kasi pwede namang tirahan. The important is you are comfortable and you have privacy. So nung pumunta siya dito, namasyal kami sa Cebu. Yun nga lang, hindi ako nakapag-vlog kasi hindi nga ako marunong kung anong content ang gagawin ko. So I'm not prepared for vlogging that time. So that's why I make short videos and I share that in my short video in YouTube and so that's it. So kung paano makahanap ng AFAM, napaka-easy lang kasi kung sincere ka talaga na gusto mong magkaroon ng foreigner na husband, nasa sayo yan. The important is you need to pray and trust yourself and also you have time for that, and also you have internet load every day because if you are long distance relationship, you need to communicate every day, 2 times a day. Parehas po yan sa ginagawa namin dalawa ng fiancé ko. 2 times a day po kaming nag-uusap and sending message, say hello and how are you, kasi importante yan pag long distance relationship kayo. Mahirap pero yun nga lang, kailangan mo talagang maging patience is a virtue. Kailangan mo mag-antay. Yun nga lang, habang nag-aantay ka, magdasal ka ng magdasal na God always protect your relationship and he give you, you know, he give you strong, yeah, you to be a strong person that you with your fiancé or boyfriend like that. So yun lang. At kailangan dapat maging yun nga, importante talaga mag-video call kayo kasi makita mo kung totoo siya or hindi, kasi marami ng scam ngayon. So kailangan talaga nating mag-ingat. So marami din namang dating site dating site tulad ng Filipina Cupid or ang Facebook also. You can find someone in Facebook. And yun nga lang, yun, kailangan mo na talaga mapanuri ba, kasi minsan kasi marami ng scam ngayon. So yun lang, na pag foreigner kasi ang partner natin, kailangan nating i-adapt yung culture nila at sila din na-adapt yung culture natin kasi magkaiba talaga. Kailangan mo talagang aralin kung ano ang culture nila kasi doon talaga magkakaroon ng conflict kayong dalawa kung hindi mo talaga i-adapt yung culture nila. So kailangan mong aralin pa yung kung ano ang mga kultura nila like that, and kung ano ba talaga sila. So yun lang. At sana nagkaroon kayo ng idea or na I give you inspiration. So I hope you don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel, and thank you for the subscriber and the views. Thank you so much, and God bless. Good luck.